Hi all, welcome to my channel, welcome to John's Model Making. Today we got Ghostbusters the Ecto 1 stage 116. This I believe is the Sun-visors and the cockpit ceiling. Yay! Now we don't attach this to the car because we got the CB radio and a panel to fit in issue 117, which will be done at a later date. Simply because we've got issue 118, which is the ceiling lights and another panel. So we do 117 and 118 together. Then we'll have to keep flipping the car over. I'm also modding the car, putting the parking lights on and the strobe lights. All that is done. All I need to do is attach it. So I'll probably be doing that tomorrow, testing out, making sure everything works. The lights work. I've got them hooked up just to a battery at the moment, so they all work. There's two sets. These are in series and then they're in parallel, just to get it going, running off 4.5 volts. I need to attach that up to the underside of the car along with the strobe lights, and then that should look brilliant when it's finished. Excellent. Anyway, without further ado, let's get on with the build. Okie dokie, here we go. Car parts stage 116. They're still in the bag. We've got 116 here's the cockpit ceiling panel, and then the left sun visor panel, sun visor stalk retainer, sun visor stalk, right sun visor panel, sun visor retainer. 3 sets of screws, GP, RP and TP. Excellent. Let's get them out. There we go. Right, first of all, we've got left and right, and we have these which are right and left. We have them each, and then we have these end pieces and the center piece. Get them out as well. Now we do need these tiny RP screws. Okay, so first off we need this and this. This is the right one. We need to secure that with 3 RP screws. These are tiny screws, these. There we go. And this one goes here, I believe. We need to fit this through here like so, and we also need one of these. Oops. These are small. Okay, so that must go there, like so. I think that goes on there actually. There is a little locating peg there. Underneath, and there's a little location where you can see the screw hole, and at the side of it is room for, there we go, a little locating peg. Now what we're supposed to do is to fit that there like that, and then like, let's see, I think best if we put this with a GP screw 116D, fit that in there with a GP screw first off. Now let's get the screws out. This is going to be fiddly. Do. Right. Tiny parts. Let's get that there first. Get the screw first. Right. That's not bad. Keep screwing on it. Let's get that look. There we go. Got that locating peg the right way. You know, how fiddly is that? There's a little hole at the side of it there, so obviously that is for that centre shaft. There we go. And that will go there. Eventually it will go something like that and hold that in place, but we need to get the other side in first. I think we'll put this one in first. Bum, 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 bum. Right, hold that. There we go, that's central. I'll put this other piece in as well while we're at it. We'll go in there. Very fiddly parts. There we go. That was fiddly. I don't know if you can actually see that or not. There we go. That's focus. There we go. There is, I think you can just see it there now. Yeah, that little hole, that is for that. So basically that will go through there like that, and it will locate into there. Should do. Like that. There we go. Let's made it just that little bit bigger. Okay. Doesn't tell you that, and he's making that little bit bigger. So it can go there, and then it rests on there like that. But anyway, let's put this one together now. Okay, P screws again. Well, this we're going to be straightforward. Okay, let's make that all bigger. See if we can get that in there. It does, it goes in. Now, what we need to do is move this along, thread it through. Just like that. and that there should be kept there like that. And to retain them, we'll need a TP screw. Yep. Quite a fiddly issue, this one. Very fiddly indeed. Right, so we need to keep that there, that there. See, that one's coming out now. Typical. Press it in place. There and there. And pop one over the top, but capture both of them. Or not. Tweezers on the job. There's always one. Always one. Okie dokie. Best thing to do up to now is for the phone is to tape them in place like that, because that centerpiece just doesn't want to know. And there we go. Place that on top, and we can hopefully screw this without any more movement. Nothing's guaranteed, of course. All that there. That one has come out. There we go. Ease that back up. There we go. Finally. See them captured. Take the tape off. Gently. Very gently. And there we go. That's the two Sun-visors in place. So, bear in mind, these end pieces, even though the shaft supposed to go in, well, it does go into them, but it doesn't initially because the hole's not big enough. So give it a little bit of a twist, use some heavy duty pliers just to make that hole that little bit bigger, not too big obviously, but a little bit bigger, just so as the shaft goes in, don't stop falling out. Tape the line the two center parts of the shaft onto the pillar as per the instructions, but use tape, keep these in place. I was a little bit slow in using that tape, I should have done it earlier, but there we go. That is the Sun-visors in place. There you go. Look from camera. There we go. Excellent. So they're going to go like that. They're a bit shaky as well, a bit loose, but yeah, everything's in place. That bracket, them end caps, there we go. Bit fiddly, but there we go. Excellent stuff. Well, there we go. That's stage 116. That took longer than I expected it to be honest, but that's because of the fiddly parts, and you have to use your noggin sometimes. Use a bit of tape, keep them in place, and we're fine. Now obviously the centerpiece, there's a centerpiece here and the radio, what was it called, that? The cab radio, oh my, it escapes me, I can't remember them, but they used to use them. Anyway, the cab radio goes here with a center console strip. That is, yeah, CB radio. What I meant about cab radio, I couldn't think. CB radio, Citizens Band radio, that was it. weren't it? Yeah. So we've got that and fitting the frame 117A. There's not a great lot to do, but we do need to fit it to the car, the roof of the car. Obviously we've got there's the microphone, and we've got to coil that wire. That shouldn't be too fiddly, should it? There we go, and then we end up like that, but we've got the ceiling lights on 118, so we'll do them two issues together. Anyway, if you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you for the next two stages. Thanks for watching. Bye.